evening, Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jackline Ikang of God. Man, segment mi Kwan Leb Acholi. Uti akwana lokmi Palwar. Lawu aber akwana lokmi Jo Amisa. And the day before that, or last week, aber akwana lokmi Jo Dogolami Palwar di Palwar. Okay, teen namiro kwana Jo Koyo P'Abee. Lomarati. And reading a check look like la chart for no information what more. So good morning. I wanted to work on get area wing. I dig it on another one, another subclans. Okay, subclan mechanic. Okay. Please make sure to like, comment, share. Follow us on all of the platforms upon my tab. I don't have too much time. Battery at so I'm gonna jump right into Kwan Lomarati Kanelo Apwoyo. Okay, please make sure to like, comment, share, and Jackline Ikang of God. What to YouTube the Chaka Leb Acholi. Yala what here a Facebook do Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm gonna Facebook do Chaka Ikang South Sudan Apwoyo. Please like, comment, share. If I pronounce more wrong, please drop your comments. Help me out. Let's learn together. Poor. But you're joining on looking up Koyo P'Abee. Ni dana me doc or me Koyo P'Abee or binogi agoro mamalo or Uganda. Road Abe, my end bene road cut. A yeo kilo dana man is Sudan. Pilo kom cage. Ma beroka negodana ma pol iagoro. Ento te kwaro mi Palwar. Pe waje kid ma dano ma mi doc Koyo P'Abee oworo kwere. Atamani look ma pol ma doc ikom dano mi Koyo P'Abee wabi choya is second edition me book any. Okay, so information on irbo nongi mo. Regarding team gi got Koyo P'Abee Johnny Jo Koyo P'Abee tigi got a chill magi lungo ni got laboki. And to again peregi team nyo jok. Now regarding Jo Lomarati, ni Jo Lomarati ngo, take war pa chuli Sudan watching a danami doc ot Lomarati o bino gi Koyo Oba. And to pewangyo pingo danaman o wero lobo Oba, one ben pewangyo mohamagin o kwede. Wan ying la dit mau kelo gin ipalwa. Dana mokene kono wachani job Lomarati o bino gi isoro wal isore. Ento gi bot Krasalera 1951. Eno wajani dana mi Lomarati o bino gi lango matie e katire. Atamo ni look mapo mi te kwarpa Jo Lomarati wabinongo is second edition mi bookman. Okay? Yala regarding team gi God Lomarati, Jo Lomarati peregi team God your job. That's it. Okay. Like, comment, share with your friends and family and your community. If you have any comments or if you'd like to be a guest, please drop your DMs. Send me a private message or leave a comment under this video and I'll pour my tech. Okay. Diga kwana lokmingo agata dogola mi agata mi Palwar. Okay. It's a very short reading on dogola rio area information you could pay wabinani book mi area. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi. Subscribe to our Facebook and follow us on Facebook, Chaka Leb Acholi with Chaka Ikang South Sudan. And Jackline Ikang of God. You guys have a good night. Okay, it was very quick. Bye-bye, guys.